Welcome to this introduction to Dedrone's DroneTracker software. In this video, we cover 4 things to get you started: configuring the map, adding a sensor, configuring notifications, and adding users to your system. Let's start with the basics, logging in for the first time. To log in, use the link and account credentials you received from Dedrone. When you log in, the software asks for your permission to use your location. By allowing this, the software determines your location and configures the map automatically, so there's no other map configuration needed. Of course, you can also configure the map manually. Next, let's add an RF sensor. In the upper right of the screen, click on Options, then click on Site Configuration. In the Site Configuration screen, click on Add Register Device. Enter your registration key in the pop-up window. You'll have received the registration key from Dedrone separately. Software will first report the RF sensor as disconnected until it finds the sensor, at which point it will show as connected in the software. Make sure your sensor has power and data connectivity. It usually takes about a minute or so for the sensor to turn on and connect to the Dedrone cloud. Make sure to click on the Save Changes button before leaving the screen. Now let's configure notifications and alerts. Back in the Options menu, select Notifications. You can receive notifications about drone activities in a few ways. Email and SMS are the most common, and configuring each is straightforward. Near the bottom of the Notifications configuration screen, the Email tab will already have your information pre-populated, though you can customize the details there. To configure text message notifications, click on the SMS tab and enter one or more phone numbers. Make sure to include the country code. So for example, for US phone numbers, you'd enter +1, then the area code, and then the number. Enter additional numbers on separate lines. You can send a test notification and, just like before, make sure to save your changes before leaving the page. Next, we'll create a new user account so that a colleague can also access the system. Go to the Options screen and click on User Manager. Click on the New User menu and you'll see a short form pop up. Enter the new username and email address and select the desired role for the user. Enter the user's new password as well. Finally, let's place the new sensor on the map. Go to Options, Map Editor. Use the menu to add a sensor and then select the sensor in the pop-up list that appears. You'll then be able to place the sensor on the map by moving the sensor icon. You can zoom in on the map to place it precisely where you've installed the sensor. And here again, click to save changes before leaving the screen. That's it, you're all set. You can go back to the home screen and here you'll see alerts as they come in real time. Thanks for watching.